Shalom. Welcome to our series about indoor gardening. My name is Adam and I'm from Empowering Gardens. Today I'm going to teach you how to grow fresh herbs indoors. Growing herbs indoors have many benefits. You can use them to boost the flavor in your foods, make hot and cold teas and drinks, and treat major illness. I have chosen 3 wonderful herbs for us to use today. This is mint. This is called basil. And the last one is called rosemary. Before I start planting, let's talk about them. This is mint. Mint leaves are used to flavor iced tea drinks. If boiled, you can make a delicious tea. It is also the main ingredient in sauces and jellies. It is used as a breath freshener and great to treat intestinal problems. Here's our next plant. This is called basil. Basil leaves, fresh or dry, contain an anti-inflammatory and an antibacterial properties. It is used in salads, sauces, soups, vegetable dishes, pesto, and bruschetta. This is our final herb, which is called rosemary. Studies have shown that the enjoyment of the fresh scents of rosemary could boost your brain power. When you have a chance, take a few seconds and enjoy its smell. It smells wonderful. Rosemary is amazing for cooking meats, sauces, and potatoes. Now, we will be starting to plant. Make sure your container has a drainage hole. See, here's a drainage hole. Place the container in a sunny window. Water your herb container once a week. Cut blooms off from the herbs. Once the herb blooms, its flavors changes and it won't be pleasant. Now, this is our soil. I have a pair of scissors here. I am going to cut open the bag of soil. I'm going to take some of the soil and carefully fill the bottom. Now, I'm not going to go all the way up to the top because you want to leave some room for the plants. Now, a good thing is you always got to look to see how it's looking. This is too high. I have to add more soil to it. This is about right because it is even with the lip of the container. I'm just taking my finger and making sure that it's level. Now, the first one we are going to plant is called mint. I'm making a little hole. Now carefully tip the pot by its side and gently squeeze the pot to loosen the soil. Then very carefully pull the plant out and put it in. Now I'm going to take the tag out because eventually at the end we're either going to put it behind the plant. The next one we are going to take out is the sweet basil. And as you can see, I am squeezing the pot very carefully. And I'm also trying to put it in the middle, giving them some type of room to grow. I'm also taking the next one. The last one, this is rosemary. Now I've squeezed the pot and I'm digging a little hole to put it in there. Now I'm trying to get it so it looks like nice. Now from back here, it looks very, very pretty. Now I'm going to take the soil and I'm going to very carefully start filling in the hole. the container in very, very carefully. And I'm pushing the soil around. And as you can see, I'm very carefully fill the soil, fill the box until it gets, you'll see a little line in there. And then you fill it up. Okay. Now. Okay, now I'm taking the tags. This is the mint, and I'm putting it behind it. This is the basil mint. This is the basil. It's called sweet basil. I'm putting the tag behind it. The last one is rosemary, and I'm putting the tag behind it. Okay, turn it like that so you can see the names. And thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for our next upcoming video about indoor gardening.
Thank you so much for joining us today. For more videos, please visit www.cje.net/cyberclub.